Motorola Edge 60 will copy Samsung's S Pen. According to a leaker named Evan Blass, the Motorola Edge 60 will include a stylus with a dedicated slot at the bottom of the phone. Something we have already seen in other Motorola devices, but in the mid-range as the Moto G Stylus 4G and 5G, but now we would be seeing it in a more premium device as it would be part of the Edge series. Although to everyone's surprise, it will also have a headphone jack of 3.5mm, something that is too strange. Motorola has also been removing it from several devices in this Edge series, but this type of element would make it stand out against competitors who prefer wireless headphones. This possible Motorola Edge 60 stylus will be priced at around $500 and is said to come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage in blue and green colors. But unlike the Motorola Edge 50, it would not have a curved screen, which could disappoint some fans of that feature. It is said that it would have global availability, unlike other devices that Motorola has launched with stylus within the US. In fact, in 2022, Motorola launched a stylus-compatible device in the US, but the stylus was sold separately and was outside the device. Now they would bet on having this stylus integrated directly to compete head-to-head with Samsung's proposal. And speaking of Samsung, he confirmed that the S Pen will continue in its Galaxy Ultra devices as the S26 Ultra, because according to his own words, it is key to the experience. Nika Bison, Vice President of Samsung Mobile Experience in the UK, in an interview with TechRadar said these statements, where she also stressed that the S Pen serves for notes and creativity, with functions such as sketch to image. So it seems that the S Pen will continue to be present in the Samsung experience, and now Motorola also wants to follow a little in their footsteps. I think this is good news, because some time ago there were still several devices with stylus, but little by little it was lost, I guess to give more priority to space and have more battery. But let's wait, because soon will be presented all these series of Motorola Edge devices that will surely have several members. So it could also be that this is a Motorola Edge 60 stylus, and that there is also a normal Motorola Edge 60, 60 Fusion, 60 Pro, and all the variants that Motorola usually launches. But remember that filtration is not presentation. But let me know what you think of this idea of Motorola. Would you like to integrate this stylus, or stylus you stay only with Samsung?